Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can restrict someone from seeing your Instagram stories. So first of all, head over to your Instagram app, get logged into your account, then tap onto your profile. From here, select this three bar icon. We're going to have to access a settings, so you will see a search bar. Tap onto it and here simply type in stories. You will see story, live, and location. So select the first button and it will ask you if you would like to hide story and live from. Tap onto it and simply it will show you all the people that you have followed or maybe your following list. You're gonna have to tap onto the person from whom you would like to hide your Instagram story. If you don't see their name here, you can also directly search for them, then select done. And as you do that, go ahead, add something to your Instagram story, and that person will not be able to view it. Thank you for watching. We will catch up in our next upload.